Okay, so it's now time to talk about the $1,000,000 question. And the $1,000,000 question is, what is Microsoft Agent Framework? Or the reason why you are here. So obviously you'd like to know and understand what is MAF or Microsoft Agent Framework. So Microsoft Agent Framework is a developer framework, first of all, very important. It's a software development kit or a framework which is used for building secure, enterprise-grade AI agents that can reason, plan, and use tools. So the aim is that you need to move a step forward. From just creating chatbots, you need to create agents that are intelligent, that can act autonomously, that can do some kind of reasoning, they can do planning, and they can make use of tools like calling third-party APIs, talking to databases. So all this can be done with these agents. And the aim is to collaborate to autonomously complete the tasks across applications and systems. Now, if we take a look at it one by one, the first thing is it is a unified development kit. And very soon you'll take a look at why we use the word unified, because it was a combination of semantic kernel and autogen. And as I said, in the next few lectures, you'll understand what exactly was semantic kernel and autogen. But to understand it, it is a single software development kit or SDK, which is kind of available in Python and .NET that combines multiple tools like semantic kernel and autogen into one standard package. So instead of installing 3 different libraries to build a bot, you just install one kit to create both a simple chatbot and a complex team of agents. Then we talk about the multimodal support or the multi-model support as it names. So remember, the framework is model agnostic, meaning it can easily switch between different AI models. Like you could have OpenAI, you could have models from Azure OpenAI, then Llama models, Mistral, without actually rewriting your code. So let's say you build a travel agent using GPT-4, but later want to switch it to a faster, cheaper model like GPT-4o Mini just by changing one line of configuration. Then it can also help to do complex orchestration, which is the capability that allows you to manage how multiple agents talk to each other, defining rules for who speaks when, like sequential steps, looping, or distinct roles. A good example can be a manager agent receives a task, passes it to a researcher agent to find the facts, sends those facts to a writer agent to draft an email. Right. The next very important concept in Microsoft Agent Framework is agent threads. It's a system for managing the state and history, ensuring agents remembers the ongoing conversation thread even if you pause and come back later. Something you would have seen with ChatGPT. Like you've been, if you visit after a while and you try to ask question related to a previous answer, then also it understands that it is the previous context you are talking about. So within that conversation, these threads actually help to maintain persistent state management. Good example, as I said, can be you ask a support agent for help on Tuesday, and on Friday you reply, I'm still getting stuck, and it remembers exactly what the issue was. So you don't have to tell the issue all over again. Then there is important concept of context providers. Right. So context providers basically, these are the modules that automatically inject relevant background information like documents, user history, database records into the agent's memory before it answers. So basically agent threads and context providers are actually helping with the memory side of the things. Right. So a good example can be when you ask, what's my schedule? A context provider secretly fetches your Outlook calendar. So you are, let's say, asking for the schedule, and it will automatically go ahead and check your Outlook calendar. Right. So it will check your Outlook calendar and fetch the details and feeds it to the AI so that it can give you the correct answer. Last but not the least, and very important aspect of MAF is enterprise readiness. Right. And It has got built-in features for big companies such as security guardrails, detailed logging, which is observability, and data privacy controls to ensure safe deployment. Good example can be a banking bot logs every single decision it makes to a secure audit server, so the bank can prove to regulators that AI gave the correct financial advice. And what do we get in the end using all this what we've learned? Yes, the future AI agents, which can work with tools, memory, and guardrails. Thanks for watching.